Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. We're going to make a simple Easter centerpiece today. We're just going to use some Easter eggs on a stick. I think I got most of this stuff from Party City, and then it's very inexpensive to do this. I believe it was maybe around $1 for each thing, so it's very budget friendly. And we have these cute bunny cutout faces. And here's some kebab sticks I already had in my kitchen and a hot glue gun. And first we're going to go ahead and we're going to fill the Easter basket with some grass, and then we're just going to add the eggs to it and spread them out. And now we're going to take these cute bunny faces, we're going to glue some sticks in between them because we want to make them double-sided so that we can stick them in the middle of our centerpiece. So we're just going to take the hot glue gun stick and then glue a straight line in the middle of the bunny face, and then we're just going to take the stick and add it on. Sorry, my daughter was playing with the eggs. And then we're going to go ahead and repeat that to the other bunny face, and then we're just going to put it all together. Now we're just going to take some glue and we're going to add it because we want it to stay together. So we're going to add some extra glue in between the bunny face and the bunny ears just to make sure that we hold it together really good. Now that we created the bunny stick, let's go ahead and add it to the middle of the bucket, and then we're going to add some more eggs. As you can see, the bunny ears keep moving just a little bit. You can add a little extra grass if you have it, just for extra security. And once we have all the bigger egg sticks in, we're going to take the smaller eggs and just put them around on top of the grass and just to help fill it in a little bit. And here's our Easter bunny egg centerpiece. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Make sure you check out my other Easter videos. Happy Easter and have a royal day.